Stacia, Bryce, and lots of swing out stuff.
Yes, you sort of reached the pinnacle of one of our level 1 milestones, which is doing a swing out open to open. It's great. You're going to do a lot of exciting things with that in the future. We did that and we really refined it this week. So there was a thing you did for the leads?
That's right. I want the leads to go home and do this drill. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. Down the line. Things about it. When we get to this 5, there is creating that momentum down the line of the deck. Just do this 1,000,000 times at home. Ha. Ha. Okay. 1,000,000,000 times.
The thing that was hard for you was to keep that linear. So Bryce did it nice and down the line. If you happen to be on the floor and you can sort of try it on the line, that might help. But otherwise, just try to keep your own balance up and down. Keep your feet underneath you. For the follows, we were practicing a totally different goal, which is to go in one direction and be able to face our lead while we're heading in a single direction. So we did a little exercise. We're actually right behind that. We did a little exercise that went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm sort of gently turning to my right the whole time, which happens to be convenient because my lead will be on my right. So we were trying to do that. We also played around with 1, 2, 3, 4, just trying to get comfortable with going in one direction with one leg that feels crossed because of the pain. So if you aim for that and the leads aim for the other goal, those leads happen to